Many of you freaked out on receiving an email that your AdSense account has been cancelled. Well, there's no need to panic about that, and I will explain why. If you received the email, there's a page on Google's support website that explains all that happened. I will leave the link to the page in the description, and the message goes, "Hey creators, you have received an email from Google AdSense that one of your payments account was cancelled. To clarify, your YouTube payments account and channel monetization remain active. No changes have been made there." For context, back in February, we announced a simplified AdSense experience for creators, so that anyone who earns money from YouTube will now have a dedicated payments account for YouTube earnings, separate from the AdSense payments account for publishers, that is for AdMobile and AdX users. If you only make money from YouTube, that is, you don't use products such as AdMobile or AdX as a publisher, you receive an email notification that will cancel the inactive AdSense payments account for publishers that was still associated with your AdSense account after the update. So this account is not related to your YouTube payments account, and its cancellation will have no impact on your ability to monetize your channel or receive YouTube AdSense payments. This is from Team YouTube. In case you don't know, AdSense is not only meant for YouTube revenue alone. You can also make money from website, blog, and mobile apps if they are approved for AdSense. So early this year, Google decided to separate revenue coming from YouTube and other platforms in AdSense. So if you created your AdSense account before that time, you have your AdSense homepage look like this, which means if you want to check your YouTube earnings, you will click on AdSense for YouTube. And others like websites or blogs, you can check your earnings and other details on this page. So from the look of things, it seems like you have two payment accounts, one for your YouTube channel, then the other one for other platforms like website and blog. So if you're using your AdSense account for only YouTube, that means the other account, which is for other platforms, still exists and remains dormant. So Google decided to cancel the dormant account that is meant for other platforms like websites and apps because you only use your AdSense account for YouTube. But if in the future you decide to link the same AdSense account to your website, blog, or app, that particular account that was cancelled will be reactivated. Well, this is my thinking. I've not tested it out, but I'm very sure that this should be the case. The AdSense account cancellation will not affect your earnings, but if you have less than $10 in the dormant account, you might forfeit it. So the whole thing about these activities is that Google is trying to clean up their platform. So I hope this clarifies this topic, and if yes, please give this video a thumbs up, and you can watch other videos on AdSense on this channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. See you soon.